Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and a quick detox drink for fast weight loss. Stay tuned and find out how I make this drink. To make this drink, I have a pot. I'll be adding 2 cups of water into the pot and allow to boil. To make this Parsely weight loss drink, I'll be using a handful of Parsely. Parsely is very good because it will help to maintain your blood sugar level, and the caffeine content will aid weight loss. It contains enzymes that will improve digestion and also play an important role in losing weight. It will also help to flush away any toxic and excess fluid from your system. So I'm going to wash this Parsely. To wash the Parsely, I'll be using water and salt. I'll add some salt into the water. Add the Parsely leaf. Then I'll wash. You need to wash it properly to remove any dirty or sand. Now repeat the same process. When I'm done washing the Parsely, I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. I'll be slicing the Parsely. When I'm done slicing the Parsely, I'll be adding it into the boiling water. Here is my pot of boiling water. I have 2 cups of water on the pot. So I'll be adding the Parsely leaf. I will cover it and allow it to boil for about 2 minutes. Then I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool. After about 2 minutes of boiling the Parsely, I will remove from the heat and allow it to cool before I will strain the water. When the Parsely tea has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the tea or the drink. For fast results, take this drink first thing on empty stomach in the morning. It will help to flush out any toxic and excess fluid from your system. It will help you to maintain your blood sugar. It will also help to improve your digestion and also help in your weight loss. If you like, you can add honey or lemon to enhance the taste. I'll be drinking it. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.